Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is MSP430 based Women Safety Security using GSM and GPS. So here we are using MSP430 G2553 Launchpad. We are using Texas instrumentation board. One switch button, emergency switch button. It is connected with P1.3. Alarm. It is connected with P1.0. And LCD it is connected with RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, P2 cap 0, 2 cap 1, 2 cap 2, 2 cap 3, 2 cap 4, 2 cap 5. And GSM SIM 800 it is connected with RxTX P1.1 and P1.2 serial UART communication, and external serial communication it is connected with P1.6. So here we are using an MSP430 board. So here MSP430 board P1.0 it is connected with the alarm, P1.1, 1.2 RX and TX it is connected with the GSM, 1.3 it is connected to the switch button, 2 cap 0, 2 cap 1, 2 cap 2, 3, 4, 5 RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, P1.6 it is connected to the GPS module. So here is the pin connections. Okay, so my programming is done on Energia software, Energia IDE. So here LCD it is connected with the P1 2 cap 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7. GPS it is connected with P1.6, and buzzer it is connected with P1.0, and switch button it is connected with P1 cap 3. Okay, so MSP 430 based women safety security system and a latitude longitude. So here we are getting the location alert on the phone. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So MSP430G2553 launchpad board, 5 volts power supply, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and 1 LED, 16x2 LCD display, emergency switch button, GPS module and alarm, and GSM SIM 800A module we are using. So now I am going to restart the button. MSP430 based. So now we will get the exact latitude longitude value. Initialized GSM modem initialized successfully. Suppose the human is press the button waiting for latitude longitude, and it will send the location to my mobile SMS alert. Yeah, SMS came. I am in trouble. Okay, press last message just once. Okay, so I am in trouble, please help me, Google Map location. So woman in safe. Now press the button waiting for GPS, latitude value, longitude value. Sending SMS. Message sent. Okay, last message just once. Okay, yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.